Ever pondered the mysteries concealed within the sleek shell of your laptop? Today we dive deep into this portable marvel's innards, unraveling the secrets that make it tick. Starting with the exterior, everyone's acquainted with the display screen, the window to the digital world. Through it, we interact with text, images, videos, and more. Next, the keyboard, with its various layouts, serves as our tactile bridge to the operating system. The touchpad, a substitute for the traditional mouse, grants us cursor control and gesture commands. And of course, we have a plethora of ports catering to a rainbow of external devices ranging from USB drives and external monitors to headphones. Venturing within, we encounter an intricate labyrinth of components, all harmoniously working together. The motherboard, a veritable metropolis of silicon and metal, plays host to the essential components. The CPU, akin to the city's mayor, dictates operations, executing instructions, and performing calculations at breakneck speeds. With an array of options from powerhouses like Intel and AMD, the CPU's performance and power efficiency levels vary. The CPU's trusted aid, the RAM, serves as a temporary storage unit holding data and instructions needed at a moment's notice. The RAM's size and speed directly influence the laptop's multitasking prowess and overall performance. Most laptops today sport DDR4 RAM modules, though the newer models have started flirting with DDR5, promising enhanced speed and efficiency. Storage in laptops comes in two flavors: solid-state drives, SSDs, and hard disk drives, HDDs. SSDs, with their fast read and write speeds, ensure your laptop boots up quicker and your applications load faster. HDDs, on the other hand, offer vast storage capacities at a lower cost per gigabyte. Some laptops cleverly combine SSDs and HDDs, offering the best of both worlds. Lastly, we have the GPU, the maestro responsible for rendering images, videos, and 3D graphics. Integrated GPUs, common in entry and mid-level laptops, offer ample performance for everyday tasks. For the gamers and graphic designers amongst us, dedicated GPUs in high-performance laptops deliver the required graphical horsepower. There you have it, an exploration of the fascinating world within your laptop. From the display screen and keyboard to the CPU and GPU, every component plays a crucial role in delivering the performance and functionality we've come to rely on. Next time you power up your laptop, spare a thought for the symphony of technology humming away beneath the keys.